This series was filmed before the recent series from Ben and David on their experience with MSC. We'll consider this uncensored.
So let's take a quick look at our room, and then we'll check out all of the different spaces that the yacht club has to offer. We were in room 18043 on the MSC Seashore. Welcome to our room. Welcome to our room. We got a little surprise. We were supposed to be in an interior room, and now we are in a balcony. So let's come on in and check it out. We are in the MSC Yacht Club Deluxe Suite. Okay, so you walk in, you pass the bathroom and storage closet. I'll show you that in a little bit later. You've got a nice, lovely bed here that comes with a pillow menu, so you can just choose which pillow you like. We'll try a few out and see which ones are the best. You got side table on either side. Looks like this side has a USB charger. That one does not. Just my side, man. You have this massive, massive mirror here. We've just walked through this ship for like 2 seconds, but there's enough reflective surfaces on this ship that you will always know what you look like.
Yeah, you'll always know if you look good or bad.
Exactly. So first off, we have a lovely coffee maker right here, and it has little espresso pods that you slide in. Nice bottle of water. Big, huge counter to do makeup and everything. You've got big cabinets here, hair dryer in here, your general info that you get. And then if you come down this way, you have some shelves. This cabinet that's got some extras and cups and stuff for your coffee.
All included.
And then this one, you've got a mini bar, and all of this in the mini bar is included, which is awesome.
And refilled daily.
Refilled daily, I'm definitely eating that. And these juices look delicious. So that's a super nice touch, I have to say. Here, you've got a nice little closet. Ooh, some slippers, a shoehorn, a safe, definitely not big enough for a laptop, and then some decent sized drawers, not too big, but you got enough of them. Right across from the closet, you have this lovely little seating area here, a nice little table, an extra chair in case you need it, and this looks directly at the TV. You have a little divider here with some decorative shelving to kind of block the bedroom and the living space apart, but then you get to the amazing balcony. So we'll do the balcony and then head to the bathroom.
1 second. There are 2 air conditioner controls in this unit.
Oh, fancy.
So you don't have to get up and walk to the front door to change the air.
That's pretty nice. Now let's see if I can open this door with my broken hand.
Turn it up.
Up. That wasn't too bad.
That was the best you've ever done in
That was
this.
the best. You needed up one hand normally. This is a really good sized balcony. Honestly, I feel like they could put some bigger chairs out here because, I don't know, what would you say, Jeff? 12 feet?
Yeah, 10, 12, somewhere around
12 about this way, and then probably about another 6 this way. So a nice sized balcony overall. Great views of Port Canaveral right now. And yeah, definitely will be enjoying this balcony. Now let's go in and check out the bathroom. Okay, come on, the bathroom is up front. Oh wait, before we do the bathroom, you have one more closet here. Just has a lot of hanging space basically. And like I said, they really like their mirrors. So you have a full ceiling to floor mirror here to fully see yourself. Now let's go check out the bathroom. It's a lot nicer in here than I thought it'd be. You have a lot of countertops. A nice little close-up mirror here. Toilet, sink. Some extra cabinets and storage down here. Very nice shower. So definitely a good sized shower. Lots of space. There's a little bench here you can sit on. Oh, a rain shower head and a normal shower head. And then you have the MSC shampoos, conditioners, and lotions. So I know this looks ridiculous with my broken hand, but you get this lovely little watch included, and it says Yacht Club on it. You get to wear it. It helps you open your door. They can scan it if you want to get a drink. You don't need to have your key card. You just need your key card if you're going to leave the ship. But otherwise, this is basically your key card for when you're just walking around and enjoying the lovely ship. Now let's go check out some of the other spaces that are included with the yacht club, such as the sun deck and pool. So let's go up to deck 20 where the sun deck is. One of the great things about the yacht club is all of the yacht club rooms are housed within the yacht club space itself. It has its own elevator to access everything. It's all that true ship within a ship feeling. We were definitely impressed with the sheer size of the outdoor space that the yacht club had. Honestly, it felt like one of the bigger suite areas from other experiences that we've had. And another great thing was that it had a little buffet up there as well as tables that you could sit at. And this food was here at all your main eating times. They even put out some snacks. This was a great thing to have a bar as well as food right next to the pool in case you just wanted that little snack. Now let's go take a quick peek at the lounge area that you have access to in the yacht club. This is a great area just to hang out, relax, chill. You can get some fantastic cocktails here at the amazing bar, as well as some very nice coffees and teas. And then mid-afternoon, they put out some snacks for you as well in case you need a little something. It's just a really great place to hang out and chill. Now let's head up the very sparkly fun stairs to the MSC Yacht Club restaurant. This restaurant is exclusively for people that are staying in the yacht club, and it is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The breakfast menu stays the same, but the lunch and dinner menu changes daily. In addition to the actual lounge, there's this great space in the very front of the ship, in front of the lounge, that is outdoor space. It was kind of predominantly the smoking area, but it also just had really fantastic views with really comfy seats. It was a great place to sit and watch as you're pulling into port or leaving port. On this trip, we also went to MSC's private island, and this was a fantastic secret little spot to watch the lighthouse show that they do at night. One last fantastic thing that is included with the yacht club is you get access to the thermal spa for a day. It really is a great benefit to have. So thank you so much for watching our room tour. Till next time, get out and live a little. Bye guys. If you want our thoughts and a full review and the breakdown of the MSC Yacht Club, check out this video.